Good morning, student. Myself Kher Singh from Jyotri Academy. Today we will discuss class 9 subject SST Economics, chapter 2nd, People as a Resource. So here we will see the types of unemployment. First is disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment are basically hidden unemployment. Those have been not seen uh, easily. In this type of unemployment, more workers are working in an activity than required. The actually required working is less, and those people are engaged in this process is more. So more worker is working in this activity than required. People who are actually engaged in such an activity appear to be employed but are not fully employed. People are show that they are employed but actually they are not employed. They have been some extra working occur are doing. For example, cultivation of 1 hectare land. Suppose 1 hectare land, the 10 workers are required for complete this process, but instead of 10 workers, 15 workers are working in this cultivation. So 5 workers are called disguised unemployment, means 5 workers are extra, those have been working this cultivation of 1 hectare land. In this type, if the surplus worker are removed, the overall population, overall production does not suffer. If the surplus workers, suppose in 5 worker are in surplus worker, if they have been removed, thereafter not any types of problem have been coming to the production of the and overall production, those have been so they does not suffer any types of problem. Second is seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment means a worker are employed during some part of the year. During a specific time period, they have been engaged in the work, and thereafter they remains free. They remains free a whole year. This is called seasonal unemployment. Those have been depend on a specific season. Factors responsible for seasonal unemployment. Some factors are responsible for the seasonal unemployment. Lack of small scale and cottage industries in rural area. Very different types of small scale industries less, the cottage industry are less, that's why the people have been not engaged in other work. Lack of multiple cropping, the multiple cropping process is not sufficient, that's why they have been waste their own time. Lack of commercialization of agriculture, the commercialization of agriculture, the different types of crops, those have been not sent to market and they have been not profitable, that's why they have been going to this process. Thereafter, third one is structural unemployment. Structural unemployment means workforce in India is very large, the people have been more and more, but according to the population, the capital and labor force that have been not creating a equal balance of agriculture industry, that's why the people have been more and more, and they have been facing the different types of problems. So mismatch of available capital and size of labor force, that create the structural unemployment. So we lack resource to improve agriculture industry. So different types of resources must be improved for the agriculture and industry, that's why the labor force must be utilized. The types of unemployments occur to lack of capital, the amount is less, lack of resources, the different types of resources is very less, that's why they not utilize them. Surplus worker as compared to demand, more and more worker is present compared to demand. Underutilization of natural resources, proper utilization of natural resources cannot be occur. So Indian economy is facing structural unemployment, workforce is more in comparison to demand. Thereafter, educated unemployment. Educated unemployment are those type of unemployment where the people have been more and more educated but he cannot take employment. According to the economy, the India can not be taken more and more utilization of their education, So India failed to balance education policy. The education policy have been not fulfill the proper demand of the person those have been educated. Factor responsible for this uh, type of unemployment. Different types of factor are responsible. For example, much education of low quality education cannot fulfill the demand of unemployment. Not provide any vocational or specific training that can be utilized their own life. Not good job create in India, that's why population have been not use their own talent. Demand of skill level is increasing in globally. In global country, high more and more skilled labor are required, but we cannot produce that type of labor. That's why we can face educated unemployment problem. Okay, thank you very much.